Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to switch Instagram account to private. It's quite simple. If you need that extra privacy, you can enable this feature and you will get its benefits. Now, how do you do this? Come over here in your profile, click on the bottom right corner. Then you can go ahead and open up the menu by clicking on the top right corner. Then you can scroll down and see an option where it says account privacy. Just click on this and you will see the option to convert your account into a private one. Just check this option and that is it. You will now get all the benefits of a private account, which means people who follow you will be only able to see your videos and photos. Just click on the blue button where it says switch to private, and that is it. Your account is now private. People will have to request you in order to follow you. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to switch Instagram account to private. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.